them. There ain't much this little Jetta can do. If I was in the big Super Duty, I would stop and pull him out. But there's not much I can do in the little Jetta. And that's why it's always a good thing just to kind of take your time. This is a front-wheel drive car, so he was rear-wheel drive, so he probably broke the back end out and slid right into the ditch. So we're just going to be cautious the whole trip. People are not used to driving in the snow, and that's the cool thing. When I was a kid in Virginia Beach, this was the fun stuff. Get out here and brake sideways, and you learn all the different drifting and different things to do in the snow, and doing 360s and just kind of having some fun with it. And then you get people that have never driven in the snow, and then they end up in the ditch. This is actually the second vehicle we just passed. That was actually the third vehicle that we just passed. That was